Hello, I'm DeathSeeker512, and in today's video, well, tutorial, yes, it's a tutorial this time, I will show you how to make animated textures in Minecraft. Of course, I'm going to make like a smiley face sort of thing. Oh well. So, let's get into this tutorial. Oh, and I have music playing. If you're wondering who the band is, it is Imagine Dragons. Um, and so I have to have the loopback driver so I hear myself. And anyways, background music. So there actually won't be any coding in this video. Surprise or shock? Yeah. Okay, no. So let's get into the tutorial. So I will open up GIMP, and because I have music playing, I'm not going to cut anything. Actually, I've never cut anything anyways. I've always just paused the recording for a little bit. Oh well. Also, um, I should not be as quiet as I used to be. Well, then again, my volume's all the way up, so I probably am just as quiet. Whatever. So, I'm going to open up the crap. Can't think. Um, blocks. Yeah, the tub block that I made so many videos ago. It's kind of weird reliving old moments. So, just as something really basic, I will make the eyes spin constantly, and I'll make it go from a happy face to a frowny face. After the eyes spin once, it'll flip to a frowny face. It should be kind of weird. Anyways, the current song is Radioactive. And yeah. So what I will do is grab the pencil, keep the opacity up to 100. I don't know why I was changing that. And, hey, I'm actually not talking so slowly. Ha! I thought it would be. Anyway, I'm trying to listen to music. Okay. So what I'm going to do is duplicate this layer. So I just selected that and duplicate. Now I can't tell you what the next song by them is. Anyways, so then what I'm going to do is tools, image size, somewhere. Where would it be? Tools, filters, layer. No, image. Sorry, I'm so weird. And then no, not scale, canvas side, and change it. Now, what you want to do is you want to have. Wow. Okay, so watch the mouse over here. You can kind of see the box. You want to have like the first image, and then second, then third, and fourth, like from top to bottom, not left to right, top to bottom. So just for right now, I'll change that to 32 and hit resize, and then I will take this one and right click alpha to selection and right click, no, actually, layer, and then auto crop layer. Okay. And then I will press Ctrl Z. Okay, whatever. I will actually just move it. Where is? So in order to move in a GIF, you grab this tool, click on the layer, and you can just tap down. Oh crap, I wasn't counting. Okay, so that's 16, and well, honestly, it doesn't matter which order your animation goes. Here, so what I will do now is grab the pencil, select this color. No, it is selected. Why won't you? Okay. Oh, duh. Select none. And then there, right, whatever. Guess I'll have them rotate in opposite directions. So, okay. That square there looks funny. Anyway, so then image. Wow, I just did this a second ago. Boom, 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 boom. Canvas size. I will change it from 32. Let's see how well I know my multiples of 16. So 32 then changes into 48. Size. Well, I then duplicate and move down 16 and scroll down and pencil there and there. That means there, there. Duplicate image. Canvas size 64. I know that easy. No math down there. And then I'll move this one down 16. And then I will merge all these layers and move it down 64. And I can't see any further down. Oh, wow. Okay, so zoom all the way down. Eee. Wow. Eee. So hard to do without a mouse. Oh, crap. Okay, so that was. So this one has to go up. And that means this one has to go down. And then get rid of that. And that. So then the top image will be there. Okay. Whoa. Come on, work with me. And merge all. Okay, fine. Merge down. Merge down. Merge down. Duplicate. Image. Size. Canvas size. 128. Resize. And I'm actually going to have to scroll down a bit. There. And you know, I'm just doing this super basically. Anyways, And so that's what that looks like. Then merge down. Honestly, you can make this as big or small as you want. Ooh, this is a good song. Image, cam size, and then 256. Resize, duplicate. Oh, and now I'm gonna need that one. Anyway, so move this. Oh, I did that, didn't I? Control Z, Z. There. That one I need to duplicate. And then I can merge this one down. And then image, camera size, 256. Yeah, I hit Control Z because I messed up on this. So then select that, grab it, move down. And don't go too far down. Just so that I am working with what I had before this. Oh my gosh, how much further down? Oh, well, there. So now I gotta work with this. Uh, why did I do 256? Image, canvas size. No, so 128 plus 64. Yes. 192. Resize. Woo. Alright. So that's it for this image. So I'll just hit file and overwrite the current. Okay. Then close this. Close without saving. Close you. Come on, work with me. Then probably should have already been in here. So then go into like the resources folder. And then mods, then textures, blocks, and now what we're going to have to do is copy the name of. I'll just do it this way so you can see it better. Okay, so we are gonna be creating it like okay, I'm gonna be creating a new file, and what you want to do is copy the name of the block image. So for this case, and then dot text, and then create, and that's it. Now if I open up Eclipse so that I run the mod and show you guys what the block looks like. Okay, so we will be modifying this in a minute, but for right now we're not going to be modifying it. Just so you can see how it goes through as it is. with no configuration whatsoever. Anyways, so until Eclipse comes up. Oh, and yes, I did do that. Oh, Eclipse is now my IDE for C++, because using a text editor sucked bad. I had to memorize everything or have something else up, whatever. Oh, also, I'm sorry about the infrequency of my videos. Yeah, stuff happens. Lots of stuff happens. Though I should be getting a new laptop soon. Soon. Not now, but soon. Okay. Actually, I'll just be back until whenever it's done loading. I'm sorry. There's no more music. What? Echo. There should not be an echo. What? I'll be back in a second. Oh, well, as I'm looking in here, you guys had no music. Oh well. Anyways, so, whew, crap. Do I still? Oh yes. So to release my headache. Okay, no more loopback driver. Uh, that was really annoying, but whatever. So now I am in here and tutorial mods over here. Right now, if we look into resources mods and blocks, there's also a text file in here. That's empty. Might as well open that since we'll be editing this here in a minute. So now if I run tutorial to show you guys what the texture looks like, which I'll be back after it's up. Okay, so apparently I forgot to set a creative tab. So, let me do that. Come on, don't be so slow on me. Stupid, slow computer. Oh, now it's typing it out. And then, delete you. And then, save it. And then, relaunch Minecraft. And then, I'll be back once it's up. And I've placed the block down. Now, if you see here, the textures are, it's going way too fast. Obviously. So, let's fix that now by closing you. Okay, so remember that text file we created that had the same name as the... Yeah, we're going to be using that now. Now there's a couple things I will be doing. But first, the top image will be 0 and the bottom, and then it increments by 1. So the last one, I forget, should be 4 per each thing. So, well, let me think. 196. Give me a minute. Okay, so there are 12 of them. So I'll do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that gets all the way up to 12. But as you know, Up to here is a smiley face. No. Up to here is a smiley face. Here's the middle face. And here's, well, these four, anyway, are the frowny face. So what I want to do from here is then 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh no, not 10, 9, 8, 7. Wow. So 11, and then so 7, 6, 5, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, but that's only going to make it to where it goes sequentially and it looks nice, okay? Who cares? Well, here's where the fun part comes in. I'll do times 4 on all of these. So I'll just copy that. Sorry about that. Okay. And then I will save the text file and I'll be back when Minecraft is up again. And so, as you can see here, there's still an issue with it. It goes one way, and then stops, goes back the other way, and then continues going again. So, simple fix. So if I go in here, and actually make this 4, 5, 6, and 7. Save that. Please tell me auto updates. Oh, no, it doesn't. I wonder if it does it like this. Okay, so of course it didn't work, so I had to do it like this. Anyways, as you can see here, if you just look at the eyes, they continue to roll in the same motion, and then the face is changing. Well, that's it for this tutorial. If it helped you at all, please give it a like. If it didn't, dislike, I guess. If you want to see more by me, subscribe. Have a good day, or night, or whatever time it is. You know, I guess it really just depends on when you're watching this video. Thank you, and goodbye.